Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dolphin Discovery, the Mexico-based parent company of Dolphin Cove Limited in Jamaica, has initiated voluntary proceedings under Mexico's concurso mercantil process, a corporate restructuring and insolvency procedure under Mexican law. In a press release to the Jamaican Stock Exchange, Dolphin Cove Limited Jamaica states that operations continue unaffected and the company will maintain its independent operational status. The board will continue to monitor the situation and make further disclosures on the legal status of its Mexican parent company's insolvency proceedings as required. MasterCard is partnering with PBCJamaica to support unbanked, micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises across the island. Investment and Commerce Minister Aubin Hill made the announcement at the recently held MSME Business Roadshow in Clarendon. It aims to provide unbanked merchants with access to secure and reliable payment platforms, enabling them to participate fully in the digital economy and expand their customer base to include international visitors. The minister disclosed that MasterCard will provide smartphones to merchants who do not already own one. These devices will be equipped with NCB's payment platform, enabling merchants to seamlessly accept electronic payments. The funds from these transactions will be securely deposited into the merchant's NCB account. For the trading period ending February 26, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Beverage manufacturer Jamaican Teas Limited with 21,747,628 units traded, representing 32.88% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 6,733,558 units traded, representing 10.18% of market sales volume. International logistics and shipping conglomerate Kingston Wharves Limited with 5,921,003 units traded, representing 8.95% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 26, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $67.98 million purchased and US $81.62 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.19 per dollar, selling the US at $157.96 and buying the US at $156.77. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.11 per transactions, with selling at $110.56 and buying at $109.45. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.56 in profits, with selling at $200.09 and buying at $198.53. For our credit report tip of the day, as a freelancer or gig worker, covering the cost of higher education for your children can feel like an uphill battle, especially without a traditional salary. But there's the good news. Your credit score can be a powerful tool to access funding, lower costs, and find creative solutions that make college more affordable. If your challenge is that you need a lump sum for tuition, then the solution is, if you're a homeowner, a home equity loan can provide lower interest borrowing option. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.